Welcome back to Meal Prep Sunday, where we make the healthiest and most impactful meal preps for your fitness goals. After last week's mouth-watering seafood chili that you guys seem to love, we're keeping the shrimp momentum going by preparing this week's Romesco Shrimp and Rice Skillet. We start by prepping our two sauces, the Romesco sauce and the lemon labneh yogurt sauce. We start the Romesco by cooking our onions and garlic for 3 to 5 minutes, followed by soaking the ciabatta bread and cherry vinegar. We then add our ingredients, like the onion and the garlic, then we let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes to melt the flavors. We then add the almonds and blend the mixture for about 10 minutes, then add our salt and pepper mix and paprika. Next, we have to get our labneh sauce going. In a pot, we add yogurt, labneh, lemon juice, garlic, and parsley. And we blend them all together evenly to provide our clients with a consistent texture they'll enjoy. To finish up our prep, we need to cut up our needed produce: scallions, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, red peppers, and we begin to roast our tomatoes. So we're bringing on someone who's more qualified to speak on how we get our veggies and protein so perfect compared to other meal prep services out there.
My name is David Kraft. I'm one of the lead cooks here at Meal Prep Sunday. When sauteing the vegetables, we throw our vegetables on with an ounce of salt, toss, take off, and then test it to make sure we have enough salt. 2, sometimes 3, as long as it takes to get it to the right taste and temperature. There's really no secret to the trade. It's just being patient and taking your time and putting love into it. When you're sauteing the protein, it's almost the same process. Or toss, add salt and pepper, take it out to Optine to have it tested for taste. You want to get it to the point where it's al dente, and once you get that there to the point, because once you saute it, you want it to be sauteed enough where it has a little bit more taste to it. That way when they reheat it, it's not overcooked.
When we make our food, it's more than just putting everything together, like the Romesco sauce, the lemon labneh sauce, our protein, and putting it all together. With us, it starts inside and outside the kitchen. It starts with us using the highest quality of ingredients from vendors locally and nationally, having a talented crew of cooks, and tasting everything multiple times to ensure when the package comes to your door week after week, you're actually excited. Listen, it's time to blow your mind one last time and show you how we give our clients meals that taste freshly cooked up to 7 days after your package arrives at your doorstep. I'm going to let you in on some insider information here at Meal Prep Sunday. My colleagues may not want me to share this with you, but I think you deserve to know. Come here. Come close. Good isn't good enough. From good to great is literally our motto. We could just plate the food, put it in a container, send it out, you eat it, and think it's tasty. I mean, I think that'd be pretty good. We saved you time, we saved you money, but you don't get reviews like this just from being good. We have to be great. So we supply you with meal plans, so you get the exact macros you need, like carbs and protein. You get a 90-day workout plan that aligns with your goals, and a customer service team that is here to help you around the clock with any concerns or questions you may have. And not to mention the MAP technology. What is that? What does it do? Okay. MAP, Modified Atmosphere Packaging, MAP, and that allows us to literally change the atmosphere of the package. A lot of food packaging has an oxygen level of 20.9%, which is bad. Some have 10%, which is good. We have 1%, which is great. With so little oxygen, that means bacteria would not be able to go inside, which means there was no oxidation process, which leads us to deliver clients fresh food they can eat for days after delivery. And that's what the power of, which again, is pretty great. But we do all this work for you. This is the key to making delicious meals that keep you excited to reach your goals. But also, we prepare a variety of ingredients to feed you, so you can have a balanced amount of macronutrients that will not only help you keep on track with your goals, but it also helps with keeping a positive mood and increasing productivity. Listen, don't take my word for it. Try yourself, take 50% off your first order, and see what everyone's raving about. You have nothing to lose with a deal like that, because it's definitely cheaper and less time consuming than a full trip to the grocery store. Sounds good, right? That sounds really good if you ask me. But if you've been listening, we can't stop there. We want to help you reach your fitness goals, and we want to help you every step of the way. Based on the information you supply, we will give you a 90-day fitness plan that's personally tailored to where you want to be and that's in sync with the meals we give you. The program is actually designed in 3 phases that progress as you progress to ensure as you get better, the program is on the same page as you. On top of that, and yes, there is more, don't you dare start fading out on me, I see you. We also provide a training guideline, a snack suggestion guide, weekly changing menus, and as we demonstrated, vacuum sealed meals. We give you every tool you'll possibly need to crush your goals this year because we are on this journey together and can't wait to see you not only succeed, but thrive. Do you see what I mean when we say from good to great? See you next week.